Is Bitcoin about to see a massive short squeeze pump to the upside? We're going to be discussing just that in today's video, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest and the most timely Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. So over the past few days, the Bitcoin price has gone from feeling like this to feeling like this. And basically what's going on here is we are simply trading in this sideways range. It's been going on for almost 4 weeks. We came up to the major area of resistance, the short setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, and then we came down to the zone of support, the long setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where I said the only long trade for me today is if we come down below 29,400 with the following confirmations on our oscillator. That's exactly what we got. And as you can see, we have gotten right now a significant move to the upside back inside of the range. Shout out to everybody in the Casper Crew who is taking these juicy trades along with me. As you can see, the setup I gave to take the long from the bottom has a very, very high target, actually putting in a new high. So why am I potentially now expecting a short squeeze on Bitcoin? Well, if we go to the 4-hour chart, we can see something very significant here, which is the following. As we look at the price from the last major low that we put in around $24,800 to the current low, we actually are seeing a hidden bullish divergence here. Whereas the price is making a higher low, we are also seeing the oscillator on Market Cypher Beat making a lower low. This is called a hidden bullish divergence, also known as the mirror mode uneven butt cheek pattern, where we have a very skinny old butt cheek here on the left side, but on the right side, it's full of ravioli and gravy, just ready to launch that price up to new high. And it's actually a continuation pattern in an uptrend. Now, as we come down to the lower time frames, what are we seeing? First of all, price is coming right to the level, the trade setup we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, but I wanted to see very specific things on the chart. Bullish divs on the 24, 12, and 6 minute. Well, if we take a look at the 24 minute, we can see that as the price is getting lower, the money flow is getting higher and the momentum waves are getting higher, giving us the very bullish, coveted Sam Bankman-Fried man breast pattern, where you can see the mammary flow is getting higher, the green tattooed nipples are getting higher, the man boobs are getting higher as the price is getting lower, and we can tell by the look on his face, the trajectory of his hair to the upside, that we're about to get a massive bump, baby. Now, one more thing that we really need to keep in mind here is the fact that above this trend line right here, we know there are a lot of stop losses, right? Pretty much everybody who is short anywhere in this zone is going to put their stop loss above the last major swing high, which means if we get another big pump to the upside here, it could then cascade short stop losses going off. And we also have a lot of inefficiencies right here that could be very, very easily filled. Fast move down equals a fast move back up, right? Smooth move up equals a smooth move back down. It was like the time in college. You were new to college. You went out partying with your friends. Maybe you had a few too many beers, and afterwards you went to Taco Bell at 2 a.m. Very smooth move up, but remember the move down the next morning. Even smoother. Now, that Taco Bell experience back in college really made me rethink getting my major in trans non-binary carbon emission studies. Actually, I think the time this picture was taken, I was menstruating, but I digress. As we take a look at the entire 4-week range that we've been trading here, we see something very significant. As we are trading sideways for 4 weeks, basically getting rejections from the high of the range and bounces from the low of the range, we can see something very significant on our CVD and open interest indicators. We are seeing over time open interest increasing, meaning new traders are actually opening up new positions within this range. However, the majority of those traders have been opening up short positions, which is very, very significant. That means there are more shorts open here than there are longs. And so we could very, very easily get a short squeeze to the upside, taking out this liquidity and filling these inefficiencies, which would bring us to a very key level on the chart. The Fibonacci 618 golden pocket retracement is coming in right at this massive zone where we would pretty much fill all these inefficiencies and come back up to the top of the range. And this is so key because if the Bitcoin price can now reclaim and hold this level as support, I do believe we are going to break out of this range and see a new high. But this level also offers us an amazing opportunity to look for a short trade. Why? Because when we came down and put in this low on certain exchanges, it actually officially now has changed the market structure from bullish to bearish on these high-term timeframes, right? If we go ahead and just draw a little ray right here at 29,400, we can see that literally for the first time since all the way back in June, the Bitcoin price has made a lower low, right? This is the previous higher low that we made in the uptrend. Then we made a higher high. Now we've officially made a lower low. And so if we're going to continue in a local downtrend, to potentially get a pullback to some of the zones I've been looking at in previous videos, this is going to be the level that we could potentially get into a very juicy short trade, or maybe just look for the rejection to come back down lower, to which we can look to long Bitcoin at lower prices. So the $30,800 level right now for me is going to be very, very key if this short squeeze does happen to play out. Now, of course, nothing is guaranteed to happen. The way we trade here is we just create if-then scenarios, have a plan, and then trade it if something happens that we want to see. For example, in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we were looking for a potential scenario to play out if we saw certain confirmations, and then we would enter the trade, which allowed for this juicy Bitcoin long trade that we're in right now. Or for example, with XRP, we had this if-then scenario. If we come down to this area and we see these confirmations, then we enter into the juicy XRP long trade from the exact bottom. And also with XRP, we were looking at the short trade from the golden pocket. We were looking for that move up to the GP where we had the bearish divergences. And once again, we can take the short trade that we're in right now from the golden pocket. So look, trading is all about if-then scenarios and then knowing when to pull the trigger. And by the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give juicy trade setups in advance, we give the levels we are looking to trade, we do multiple live streams every single weekday, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead and click the link to join the VIP Discord. We are not a signals group, but we are a technical analysis educational group. You will learn a lot and really grow as a trader. Also, if you want to learn the way that I trade, check out the courses we have at jasoncaspertrading.com. There's a 25% discount in the description and the pinned comment. And if you are looking for an exchange to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, check out MEXC in the pinned comment and the description, up to a $9,000 deposit bonus. And also, if you use the link, you get 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees. Literally the best deal out there. And if you are looking for an exchange that does not require a VPN nor KYC, check out ZoomX, also in the pinned comment. These are my two go-to exchanges. Of course, only sign up for an exchange if you know how to trade. Because if you don't know how to trade and you try to trade on an exchange, your whole life will definitely fall apart. Trust me. I had a video about that. All right, y'all, that is it for today's video. May you all be very blessed in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you think I'm absolutely crazy. Who is this idiot walking on a treadmill trading? What is he even doing? Is this entire channel just a cringy meme?